Hello friends. Today's story is going to be a hoot, or rather, a toot. Farts, dear friends, are like nature's giggle buttons. Everyone does it, even grown-ups, and it's completely natural. Let's embark on a whimsical journey to discover the origin, the sound, the smell, and some hilariously fascinating facts about these little bursts of joy. Long ago, when dinosaurs roamed the earth, they were the first creatures to let out little toots. As time passed, animals and humans alike embraced the art of the toot, turning it into a universal language of laughter. Now, the science behind the sound of a fart is like a musical masterpiece. It's the result of the gases in our tummy meeting each other and deciding to make a joyful noise as they escape. Some farts are soft and melodic, while others might be loud and boisterous, like a trumpet at a parade. Ah, the mystery of the smell. Farts get their distinct aroma from the mix of gases released during digestion. Some are odorless, like a whisper in the wind, while others might be a bit, well, pungent. It's like a little party in your pants with different scents invited. Imagine your body as a puppet theater, and the muscles in your tummy as puppeteers. When these muscles decide to have a little fun, they create a dance that results in a fart. It's a silent performance, but the giggles it produces are loud and clear. Did you know that the average person produces enough gas each day to inflate a balloon? Or that the speed of a fart can reach up to 10 feet per second? Farts are like nature's stand-up comedy, and these facts just add to the hilarity. In some cultures, farting is celebrated through contests. People gather to showcase their skills in producing the loudest, longest, or funniest farts. It's like a silly game that brings joy and laughter to those who participate. Throughout history, farts have made their mark in various ways. From ancient philosophers making jokes about flatulence to kings and queens discreetly letting one slip during royal gatherings, farts have been a part of human culture and humor for centuries. The musicality of farts. Some brave souls have turned farts into music. There are musicians who compose songs using the sounds of flatulence, creating a unique symphony that tickles the ears and the funny bones simultaneously. It's a harmonious way to appreciate the natural rhythms of our bodies. Even astronauts experience the wonders of farting in space. Because there is no gravity to pull gas downward, farts tend to linger longer and can surprise fellow space travelers. It's a cosmic reminder that even in the vastness of space, the human body remains delightfully unpredictable. As we look ahead, scientists are exploring the possibility of harnessing the power of farts for renewable energy. Imagine a world where our laughter not only brings joy but also contributes to a greener planet. Farts could become the fuel of the future, turning a natural bodily function into an eco-friendly energy source. While farts are undeniably amusing, it's essential to teach little ones about fart etiquette. In some situations, it's polite to excuse oneself to let out a toot in private. Good manners go hand in hand with giggles, creating a balance between humor and respect for others. One of the beautiful aspects of farts is their ability to bring people together. Sharing a giggle over a well-timed toot can strengthen friendships and create lasting memories. It's a reminder that laughter is a universal language that transcends age, culture, and even bodily functions. In the grand tapestry of life, farts are just one thread, woven into the fabric of our existence. Teaching children to accept and embrace the natural functions of their bodies fosters a sense of self-love and confidence. Understanding that everyone farts is a powerful lesson in normalizing the human experience. So, dear little friends, as we conclude our whimsical exploration of the enchanting world of farts, remember that laughter is a gift from the universe. Whether it's the toots that escape during playtime or the shared laughter with friends, let the joy of farts accompany you on this delightful journey called life. May your days be filled with giggles, and your hearts forever lightened by the magic of farts. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad. Thanks for watching.